Hi friends, in this session we'll be explaining you on how to use the EOD, end of the day dashboards. Now being a working professional or being a business person, it might not be suitable for all to get into intraday trading. In that cases, users many times look forward to having some solution which can help them out in filtering out some stocks or some breakout opportunities for positional trading. And that is where the EOD dashboard or end of the day dashboard that comes into picture for assistance. To access the EOD dashboards, you need to get to the dashboard link here, dashboard X link here, and then click on the TC EOD screening dashboard. Once you click on the link, a page like this appears where you can categorize, you can filter from among a group of stocks. Say for example, you want to filter from among all the future and option stocks, or you want to filter from among Nifty 50 stocks, or in case you've got a watch list of your own in which you may be holding some 30 50 30 40 different stocks there, and you want to run this dashboard on those particular stocks in the watch list, that feature is also available here. Now once you've categorized from among a group of stocks, say in this case I'm taking the future and option stocks itself, then in the screener type you need to select either the stocks matching bullish conditions or the stocks matching bearish conditions. In this case I'm taking the stocks matching bearish conditions and then clicked on the execute screener button. Once you click on the execute screener button, it will show you a list of results downside. Say for example for the day 11th of June, as you can see here the date EOD data of 11th of June, it fetched me some 12 records here which you can see downside. But that doesn't mean that I need to take position in all these 12 scripts. That is not possible also, right? So in this case, once you get a list of stocks here, then there is a way to further fine tune, further scrutinize the results so that you can handpick some 3-4 good ones. And for that, you need to pay attention to this particular point which is named as trend rank here. Trend rank is something which helps you to understand which stocks are placed highest, followed by the lower one in that sequence. So the stocks with the trend rank of 1, they will be placed higher, followed by the stocks with trend rank 2, then 3, and so on. Now you got to choose the stocks where the trend rank is high. Say for example, trend rank is either 1 or either 2. Say in this case Nestle is there, Ajanta Pharmacy is there, or in this case we can take the example of L&T. As you can see here where the trend rank is also higher and there is a good candlestick pattern formation also. It formed an engulfing bearish pattern. Now that is how you can select the stock from here. And then coming to the charts in L&T, you see this particular point, that is where the pattern formation was showed in the EOD dashboard, and this is a engulfing bearish pattern. Like as the closing value as on 11th of June was 1523, and it was an engulfing bearish pattern as compared to the previous day candle. Now after that, today's market, it opened at the same point, somewhere around the same point of 1523, and it is already down by some 17 points, 16 17 points here. Today's closing was somewhere around 1507.76. And mind it, this is for positional trading. It doesn't mean that we need to square off the position on the same day itself. This is for positional trading, wherein the holding duration can vary depending upon the market movement. And for the stop loss, you can follow any indicator, say a moving average or a super trend for that purpose. But important thing will be to identify the stock in the identify the right opportunity for positional breakout, and that is where the EOD dashboard helps out, both in terms of bearish condition, bearish filtration, and for bullish condition filtration also. Hope that is clear to all of you. Thank you, friends.